Increase in objects mass as its velocity approaches the speed of light. It is the increase in objects mass. Pero kung wrong siya, minus 1 mo.
Sige, tayo na mo. Object mo. It is the shift to longer wavelengths of light, leaving a gravitational field caused by the effect of gravity on light. You can call me Diane. I know.
Ang yung first two words siya, ang first letter initial is G, ang sakay R.
Gravitational redshift.
Correct. 1, 2, 3, sige. Okay. Sige, Blessing is... It is a region of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape. It is a region of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape. Next up, two words. Nag-start sa letter B. Ang first letter, second. Okay, one more. Okay, call a friend.
Yes!
Sige, 1, 2, 3, and go. Okay, stop. Okay, question. It is a thought experiment demonstrating time dilation where a twin traveler near the speed of light.
Twin paradox.
Go. Pila lang sila. Okay, stop. Okay. There is a practical application of both spatial and general relativity accounting for the time dilation due to relative motion and gravitational field. A practical application sa spatial and general relativity. Naanis itong cellphone.
Muwang ko na si Jalay.
Yes.
Ikaw na tayo. Ano na mo? Huwag mo bilhin ho pa.
3 points na ko no!
3 points na tapos. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and go!
Sige ka muna bright.
Go! Stop. Sige, Jane. It is the change in frequency or wavelength of light from a source moving relative to an observer. 3 letters, nag-start ang una sa R, ang sa kay D, ang sa kay Eagle. It is the change in frequency or wavelength of light from a source moving relative to an observer. So 3 words. Ang first word, ang first initial is R, ang sunod kay D, ang sunod kay E. R, D, E. Call a friend.
Alright. So, si...
Sige na, dali ka. Galing ka cancer na. Kaya
Kinsa kayong daog sa cancer.
Victory sa bahay ni
Sige, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, stop. Nigel.
Big five naman ini.
It is our radiation from the
Uy, pwede
early
hacker
universe.
dali.
Interpretation.
Ano i-post sa YouTube?
The principle of relative and space. Pinakalas ni siya.
Sus, call me.
Ah,
Nasabot ka na, yay! Isa-isa yun.
tulo ka.
Words
3 words
niya.
natin.
Muna nag-start sa C. Ang sa
Kagay mo rin sir, 3 words. Ito sa 3 words.
CMB.
Radiation from the early universe interpreted using principles of relativity and space.
Nakadungog ka na ha. Imo ra gisulti.
Oh, yes. Go ka na.
Sige. Sige. Yes, correct. Okay, si Gemma.
Gawin na naman nabilin yun.
Fundamental principles underlying relativity. Naiduhan eh. The laws of physics are the same.
Oh.
AOB na siya, di ba?
Oh. 3 words. Ang sa P, ang sa O, ang sa R. So, postulate sila, mga principles. So, ang una is the law of physics are the same in all except things. Ikaduha, the speed of light is constant in a vacuum for all.
P man siguro na sir, naguna. P.
P. Oh.
lagi.
Start with the letter P.
Pangkaupat
P o R.
siya. Sabi na lang sir, pangkaluha. R.
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 R. 2 words.
3 words.
3 words?
Oh, 3 words.
It's coding ang
One.
R na kayo lang ita. Kala niya, nagawin nila, tulog, ang kasagta na. L-E-O. Sige, ikuan. Pangkaupat sa Jer. Sige, sige.
Sige, pwede rin. Ingani na lang.
Sige, sige, wala ko yun. Parang mag-lose.
Sige, parang close na tayo. Okay, correct. So,
kami ng tulo.
si Danica.
Nine nabilin na 3 words.
And Danica,
Pero ako rin, ito. Ato ko sa...
sige, 1.
Duha ka. Ang tatong na.
Okay.
Sampag-lord ha, sampag.
Sige, question. It is a coordinate system used to measure lights, observer physical phenomena. Mali mo? Awan ba yung sige? Order to points.
Dali na, balik.
Sige sila.
Dali ka, may balik.
1, 2, 3, go. Ay, pupugin na si Danica. Si Danica, huwag sila nagkuha. Ikaw na lang magkuha. 1, 2, 3, go. It is a coordinate system used to measure and observe physical phenomena. 3 words, ang sa exam sa M, ang sa O, ang sa R. F, O, R. It is a coordinate system used to measure